Now is the time for the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max Blue Titanium. This feels like a dream. This can't be true. This is impossible. This can never be true. You have no idea how much I waited for this. This is it. Now that I've calmed down out of all of my emotions, this is it. iPhone 15 Pro Max, Blue Titanium. And, I mean, it feels like a dream come true right now. When I will open it, it will feel like even better because it's an iPhone Pro Max. It's nowhere in the world. It's out of stock. I don't know how my parents got me this, but they just did. And this is kind of a surprise, which was why I was so, I was not overreacting. Those were my genuine emotions. I have been waiting for this device for so long, and now it's here. Now is the time for the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max Blue Titanium. Here we go. So there's two straps at the back, just like with my previous phone as well. So there's nothing new in the unboxing experience. However, this box is significantly bigger than my previous phone. So let's see, let's peel it off. There it goes up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Over there. Lifted it up. I'm shocked. This phone is too big. In a good way. It's not a bad size. It's amazing. It's the size that I wanted. Let's peel this off. Okay, let's put this on the side. What do we have in the box? You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Who cares? So there is a USB-C to a USB-C cable, because apparently this phone has a USB-C port this time, which is a really big upgrade. The cable is braided, which seems like it's much more durable. I was not expecting this. I was expecting the typical white cable, but this time it is braided. Let's turn this on. This is the side button. Yeah, of course it is. Let's turn it on. My current phone takes about 20 or 22 seconds to turn on, so let's see how fast this one is. Why is it taking so long? Whoa! It was so fast! Okay, so the battery is a lot, which means that this phone can be easily set up. Look, it says hello to me. Look at the dynamic island! There's no notch! There's the dynamic island, and look at the bezels. How much slim they are! One more thing that I noticed compared to my previous phone. This is kind of random. No one might notice this, but I did. The camera is on the right. In the previous phones, it's on the left. So there we go. This is the phone. Let's set it up now. Okay, now let's set this up. Swipe up. English. United States. This phone is actually lightweight. Apple is not lying. Appearance. Medium, large. Yeah, large is fine, because this is a big phone, so the text should be large. Make the most out of the space, you know. Let's bring this old phone in. Continue. setup. Let's scan this over here. Getting bait ready on old iPhone. Wow, it changed to dark mode. The screen feels more vibrant. I don't know if it's just me or what. Continue on other iPhone. Yes, set it up for me. Enter password of your other iPhone. I'm not telling you. Setting up your iPhone. I'm not gonna lie, this phone feels heavier than this one. But in numbers, this one's heavier. This iPhone cannot be activated without internet connection. Try again. So you can see Wi-Fi battery present. So all the data, the Wi-Fi, the network data has been transferred. Software update, important. So the old iPhone says, enjoy your new iPhone when you're ready. Come back with this iPhone, ready to be traded in, sold or given away. Done. Let's put this away. Not of use anymore. Software update. Update your software now if you want to transfer data directly. Of course I want to update now. Ooh. How long is this going to take? Downloading software update. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, now it is telling me to set up Face ID. I remember just doing it on my previous phone. It's kind of nostalgic, so let's continue. How to set up Face ID. First, position your face. Nothing new. It's exactly the same as 2 years before. Okay, however, the Face ID. Yeah, you have to move your face like that. So it's asking if you want to use it with a mask or not, so no. Face ID is now set up. Look, it's showing in the dynamic island. That's new. Let's continue. Transfer your data. For iPhone. iCloud takes a lot of time. That's why it is better to do it from the iPhone directly. I have fully charged my other phone as well, just for this signing in. I really like this animation, by the way. This is new. The setup is kind of new as compared to iOS 15, which was the last time when I was setting it up. So it's signing in. I'll be back when it's done. Make this your new iPhone. Here's everything set up as you had it on your other iPhone. Apps and data from another iPhone. Settings, Siri, screen time, blah, 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 blah. No one cares. Continue. Enable. It's gonna take a while. So it's asking for the terms and conditions. I just like scrolling up and down in the promotion display. Agree. It's adding the card. Once it's done, let's see what awaits us. Card cannot be added. Fine, we'll set it up later. Let's go in. Yeah, add this card later. Go, 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 go. Emergency SOS. iPhone is ready to help in an emergency. Continue. Move device closer to continue. Let's bring the device. Let's bring the old phone. Here we are. And it's starting. Here we go. Both phones have disconnected from Wi-Fi, and they will be transferring data. Neither of these phones can be used now for I don't know how long, so let's see how long it takes. I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so the restore has been completed. We'll swipe up. Let's continue. Apps and data will continue downloading in the background. It is. Why do you have to wait so much? Now let's. Silent mode. You can toggle silent mode on and off or check its status in Control Center. Okay, this is just like the iPad. No big deal. Continue. Action button. You see this button right here? This is the new action button. Let's customize it. There's no way I'm going to use this as a silent switch. Focus mode, camera. Yeah, camera is a good one. Welcome to iPhone. It is ready. This is the first swipe, and it goes. There we have it. Not now. Not now. Yeah, there we go. So this is the always-on display. This phone does not turn off. Even it dims, but it does not drain battery at all. The ProMotion display seems to be really, really smooth. Like, unlocking the phone is a completely different experience. And going up and down, and now the apps will be restored in the background. Overall, it was an amazing setup, and truly it would be an amazing experience for me to use this phone.